The cross stitch is one of the simplest stitches that anyone can do. In the traditional method of cross stitching, you would make one cross at a time. You would create a small diagonal stitch, then come out from the other corner and create a diagonal stitch to cross over the earlier one. That is it. This method is great when you want to randomly sprinkle around cross stitches or create isolated cross stitches. If you want to create cross stitches in a row or a line, I suggest the alternate method called the Danish method. I will provide the link to the Danish method in the description. Please let me know if you like this video. Also, check out our bookstore with ebooks for learners at different levels. I have provided the link in the description. This is Sarah from Sarah's Hand Embroidery. Thank you for watching.